Good morning all, Thursday the 7th of the 4th, 2022, chart, GBPJPY, the currency pair, the time frame, we're on the 13-minute time frame. Quick look at yesterday, which was the 6th, Wednesday the 6th, first trade of the day here, we had a position that spiked back down towards the 50, it was an aggressive entry, got a little bit of profit there, but then re-entered and it just took me straight out with this candle here. I was fighting against my bias at this point. I was like, yes, we're in line with the 50 going long, but I could see weakness. I could see it's struggling at this 1 hour level here, around about the 162.244 level. I could see weakness. I got back in, and within from the high of this candle to the high of this wick over here, you're talking a 14 pip range, which chopped about. I entered again, but it just took me out here. Yeah, so I had a loss, a small win, loss here, which was frustrating, and then the weakness that was showing me played out, and price just melted from there. But we did get a position late evening where we got this confirmed higher low trend line drawn. We got the break here, aggressive entry against the 50 because of these losses. I thought I'm not waiting for price to break, so we entered here and we got that push straight back down. So we got we got a winning trade here. So let's just clean them off the chart to make things cleaner and more visible, which I like to do. Don't want to be having too much clutter on your charts. It will just make things more confusing for you. So this morning woke up, so don't forget here's a period separator, light grey line, end of day, New York close into Asia here. Woke up with pre-London open, and I seen this lower high print with nothing here, but so I dropped into the 15-minute time frame just to see what that was showing me. So here it is here, lower high trend line, and we could see we got a break here, so I got an entry, and I looked at these levels for overall target, smashed straight through me break even here, yeah, which is also around about my break even for this point, so I'm not going to delete that. But yeah, smashed straight through 40 pips. Yeah, so one position at 25, one position at 40. Brilliant. Lift me head a bit after yesterday's choppiness. So that was a 15-minute time frame entry and trade. Yeah, because we didn't get the confirmation on the 30-minute. So up on the 30-minute, if I can just delete that trend line there. On the 30-minute, we did have this confirmed lower high from end of day yesterday into today, into Asia, lower high here. So bit of a weird angle, but anyway, we've got the trend line drawn here. Yeah, we've got the break. We waited for the retest, dropped down my time frames, looking at structure here, got in, but price melted, continued down. But hopefully this trade will still play out, because even though price broke down, and I thought we're gonna just, it's gonna take us out on this position. Yeah, my entry here, the structure failed on this 1 hour level, so delete that. Yeah, push through that, but respected. There's a 1 hour level here, a 1 hour level here. Yeah, if we just jump across into the 1 hour, we can see where they are. See, price broke down, created support here, so we drew our level. Price broke down, created support here, drew our level. So these two levels are what we're looking at on the 30-minute time frame. Jump back into the 30-minute. Yeah, you can see they're here and here, and price respected it. Brilliant. So we're still in this position. So we're at round about break even right now. So we'll see how this plays out today. Yeah, this will be my only trade for today, unless we get a clear, really good entry later on. We'll see. But yeah, so we've got a winning trade here. We've got a trade being played out here that we're currently in. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Hope you enjoy your trading day. Hit the like for me. Get them likes going. Hit the subscribe for me. And catch you later.